Hello, I'm Jason Jarrett, the Love Encore Delivery Specialist at Dutch Miller Subaru, and I have another tech tip for you today. So today we're going to talk about something that I get asked a lot about in my job, and what it is AVH, which stands for Auto Vehicle Hold. This is a system you'll find on many of the Subarus, not all of them, but most of them, such as your Forester, your Legacy, Outback, Subaru Ascent has it. So we're going to talk about what it can do for you, and I'm going to do my best to give you a demonstration of it today. So first, what can it do for you? When you are driving your Subaru and you have this system on, when you come to a complete stop, you can take your foot off the brake, and guess what? Car stays in place. So this system's main purpose is to help with driver fatigue. If you are on a long drive and your foot's tired, however, guess what? You can use this wherever you want to. Hills, red lights, drive-thrus, train crossings, or maybe there's a wreck. We're in stop and go traffic. Hey, we can use it there. So when you want to go again, what you do, give the car gas, brakes release, and you go. So I'm going to show you where you can find it in your Subaru, and we'll try to give you a little demonstration of how it works as well. All right, now I am sitting in a Subaru Forester. I'm going to show you where the button is located for that AVH system. You will find it right back here, right behind your parking brake. Now, if you have a Subaru Ascent, you will find it up in this area in front of the gear shifter. And if it's a Legacy or an Outback, you will find it in the touch screen. And I will show you in an Outback where it's located. All right. Now, for the Forester, what I'm going to do is I'm going to push the button so that turns it on. Now, when it's on, it might be hard to see. It is sunny and stuff, but it's up here in green. It says AVH. So that's how I know it's on. All right. Now, what I'm going to do is put the car drive, and I'm just going to very carefully, I'm going to pull forward a little bit. Now I'm going to come to a complete stop, and once I've done that, I just took my foot off the brake. See, car's still in gear and it's sitting in place. Now, because this Forester is equipped with the auto start stop feature that you're seeing in more and more cars these days, the engine also just shut off. So those two systems can actually work together. So if I was sitting and, let's say, stop and go traffic, like I'm going out to South Ridge and there's been a wreck, now I don't have to sit there holding my foot on the brake. So now when traffic starts to move, all I have to do is just take my foot, I will give it gas, the engine starts back up, and see, I'm going. And I can come to another stop right here, foot off, and then let me get to a complete stop. There we go. So I got it to a complete stop, foot off brake again. So like I was saying, if I was in stop and go traffic, I could just keep using this over and over again in my Subaru, as long as you keep it on. All right, so now I'm in Outback. So for those of you that have an Outback Legacy with that 11.6 inch touchscreen, I'm going to show you where you can find the auto vehicle hold for that. What you do, the easiest way to get to it is you have this little car icon right here on the left side of the screen. Touch that. You'll be in the very first page it brings up, which is vehicle control, and you can see right down there, auto vehicle hold. And all you have to do is just turn that on to be able to use it when you're driving your Subaru. All right, there you go. There's how to use the AVH, the auto vehicle hold, in your Subaru. So thanks so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Do like and subscribe. But really appreciate those things. It would help me to grow my YouTube channel, to reach more people. And as always, if you have a question about your Subaru and there's something you're wondering about, feel free to put a comment in the comment section down below, and who knows, the next time I shoot a video, it might be on that. Thank you so much.